morning. Yes. Last day of arithmetic class, we have completed up to question number 3 to construct frequency distribution table. Look at the question number 4. Here also you have to construct frequency distribution table with equal interval, equal class interval. Now, the first work what we have to see the minimum number of data. That we can see, that is 11, and maximum is 192, is it? The first one and the last one. So now what we have to do? We have to distribute our distribution equally. So we'll not make very short. We'll take 0 to 50, 50 to 100, 100 to 150, and 150 to 200s. Clear? Number 4. The data is a data 11, 19, 23, 30, 32, 41, 42, 44, 55, 55, 56, 57, 59, 62, 71, 79, 83, 90, 92, 115, 112, 144, 155, 155, 167, 189, and 192. The total number of data we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Here how much I have got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Okay, done. It's correct only. Now we will have to make 3 columns. First will be class interval. Second, tally. And third, frequency. Is it? Now they have asked equal class intervals. We'll take 0 to 50, 50 to 100, 100 to 150, and 150 to 200. Clear? First we have 11, that comes in 0 to 100, 19 again 0 to 50, sorry, 23 0 to 50, 30 0 to 50, 35 to 0 to 50, 41 0 to 50, 42 0 to 50, 44 0 to 50, 55 50 to 100, again 55 50 to 100, 56 this column, 57 again this column, 59 this column, 62, 71, 79 here only, 83 here only, 90 here only, 92 here, 115 that comes in this column, 112 in this column only, 144 in this column, 155 that comes in the next column. Again next column, next column, next column. This is almost equally it is given. They have not jumbled it, so it's easy. So we have got it 8, 11, 3 and 5. So total would be 27. Means we have collected the same data. 27 data we have, and we have arranged it according to the equal class intervals. Now next exercise we have exercise 20A and 20A already we have done. 20B, 20C and D we do not have to do for first unit test. Up to 20B only we have to do it for first unit test. So the next question says, next exercise 20B, the first question you can see, you have given a graph and they have asked certain questions related to that graph. You have to answer. You don't need to draw the graph. Now this drawing graph will be in graph copy, but these two questions whose answers you have to write, you can write it in your maths copy, in this arithmetic copy only. You do not need to draw the graph, you just refer the graph from your book and write the answers. As look at question number 1 for exercise 20b. You can see the graph which is given that shows MMR, mortality rate of different countries. Now the first question they have asked, what information is given by the graph? You will write the information about MMR of different countries are shown by the graph. Which country has the lowest MMR? Iran. You can see the graph, the bar for Iran is the least one. So Iran has the lowest MMR. Which country has the highest MMR? That is Timor-Leste, which has the greatest bar. What is in the MMR for India? That is 556. You can see on the top of India's bar, it is written 556. Which countries have an MMR greater than India? So which has more than 556? That will be greater. So started from Bangladesh, Zambia, then come here, Maldives, Bhutan, Cambodia and Timor-Leste. These countries have more MMR than India. So these 5 answers you write in the copy only. The next question also, here you have double bar graph. So you have to compare between the bars also, as well as different bars and as well as the bar for the same country, 2 bars. What information is provided by the double bar graph? What you can see the bar on the top of bar graph, the heading is given megajoules of energy spent to earn each dollar in 1992, 2000 and 2012. 2 years they have shown. So information about the megajoules of energy spent to earn each dollar in 1990s and 2012 is shown by the graph. Which country has reduced to spend energy in 2 years the most? Which has reduced most? That is China. It was 21.2 in 1990 and 2012 it has come to 6.7. Now which country has reduced? Oh, that is done. How much is the reduction in India's energy consumption from 1990 to 2012? Look at the India's column, that is the 4th one. It was 8.3, now it is 4.7. So how much is reduced? You have to subtract it. So that gives you 3.6 megajoules. Which country has increased energy consumption from 1990 to 2012? Now you can see the Brazil's graph for 2012 is greater than the earlier. It was 3.8 megajoules. Now it is 4.1 megajoules. So this is Brazil has increased the consumptions. And this bar graph, maybe 1 or 2 bar graph I will be sending you through PDF, and others you have to do. You have to finish this bar graphs. I will be sending you through PDF. Maybe out of 3 I will be doing 1 or 2. One for 1 year and 1 for this double bar graph. That I will do. Others you have other leftover you have to do. But 1 is left only. So that you have to write it in your graph copy. Okay, this 3 bar graphs should be written in a graph copy. Till then you keep practicing. Thank you.